Okay, Dan, suppose you want to add videos to a page or a post and there are multiple images and you'd like them to be in a slideshow. So we're going to show you how to do that, how to create a slideshow and how to add it to a page. So we're using, or rather, I've installed several type of sliders. I was playing around with them. The one I like the best is soliloquy. So if you come down here in the dashboard to soliloquy, you can edit previous slideshows or you can add a new one. This is also that Smart 3 slider, and I forget what the other one's called. But anyway, let's deal with soliloquy. So let's say add new slideshow. All right, name it. This is so you'll recognize it when you want to add it to a page. Let's say Festival 2018. Okay. Now we select our files. Select files from other sources is what you'd choose if you wanted to take them from your library at the greenhouse school. Here is where we select them from the computer. And go down here to the greenhouse site. I thought I saved some. Here we go. I took these off your Facebook page, so I made a folder called it 2018 Fall Festival. So let's say we want to select a whole bunch of these and create a slideshow out of them. What I like about soliloquy is that it doesn't matter what size the original images are. Let's say I select all of those. I could have uploaded that medium, by the way. You just would go in here to add media to your library. This is to access the library. This is to add images to the library, images or videos or whatever. So I have the slides that I just selected. Now the only thing I would just be sure to do, I'm trying to remember where to do it, is to set the settings so that it doesn't crop these and it will keep the size. So if you select the config tab, this is the total slider dimension. That's awfully wide, and your page is probably no more than let's say 650 pixels by. We should have checked each of those slides and see what the maximum height was. So let's just say 500. I'm not sure if that's a default or that's the maximum. We'll find out. All right, let's pick a fade, although you could, okay, in this free version, I guess that's the only option we have, is to have them fade in and out. How long you want each slide to appear? I like a fast slideshow, so I'm going to change that to 4. It's essentially 4 seconds. Transition speed, I've left that alone, as well as the gutter. Crop the images. I don't like that. If you check this off, then there'll be one set dimension for the slideshow, and anything that is larger than that will be cropped. I like to uncheck that, so each image will show completely the full image. So that's all you really have to worry about right now. Okay, I want to publish this. All it's doing is, we could have previewed it and so forth, but I just want to show you how to create it and add it to a page. Okay, so we just created a soliloquy slider, and again, those are the dimensions. So now let's go to a page. Let's say we're adding a new page, creating a new page, and we give it a title, Fall Festival, for example. Oops. Fall Festival 2018. And we have text, and we say how wonderful the festival was, and here are some pictures. So here is the tab for adding a soliloquy. That's the icon for soliloquy. So we're going to add a slider, and this is the one we just created. Insert the slider. Let's preview it. Notice that it's, it adjusts for the size of the picture. It has forward and back arrows. It has little circles at the bottom so they can go to a particular slide. We could have changed that to thumbnails, or that may be in the Pro version. I'm not sure. I like to do things without paying extra money. So that's it. And that was just a preview. I can go up here and close that tab and save this page. Publish it, and then again, once it's published, I go to Appearances, go to Menus. All right, if I left this now, since I hadn't saved this as a draft, I haven't published it, all my work would be gone. So I'm going to stay on the page. I could save it as a draft. And like I said, just work with it till you like it, publish it, and then follow the instructions in the video I did on Pages to see how to add the page to the menu and put it where you want it to be. Well, that's it. It's a lot of fun. You can have fun with this. Okay, Dan, take care.